growing up I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means.
So hi guys, back again. Alright, so today is Sunday. Happy Sunday. And I am cooking fried chicken and rice and peas, which is just a traditional everyday dish. But that's not what I'm focusing on today. Just letting you know, I'm always cooking, always in the kitchen. Right? So today what we're gonna do is soursop juice. So this is our native soursop. I just picked these soursop off the tree. Right? So today is like a very rainy day. I went outside and I got these soursop off the tree. So I'm gonna use this to make soursop juice. So I'm gonna make it for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright, so I picked up all the soursop, right? Got all the middle, right? That's what I wanted. Right, so in the island here, we don't blend the soursop. We juice the soursop. So what I'm gonna use my hands to juice all this and have this strained off. It's gonna look pretty nice. I can't wait for you guys to see it. So I'm gonna go ahead now and have this squeezed with my hands. Alright, so see, I'm squeezing it in my hand. That's how we do it here. Right, so you're gonna squeeze it until you get all the juice out. Right, see how it's pretty and white. Awesome. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and have this strained off so we can get to the juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now and let you guys see. Okay. Alright, so lovely. So I've separated the juice from the trash now. So that's wonderful. So see how it's pretty white. It's awesome. So I'm gonna do is strain it again because I want to ensure that I got rid of everything. So I'm gonna strain it one more time and then we're gonna sweeten it. Alright, so as I said before, it's sweetening time. There are two ways to sweeten this. You can sweeten this using milk, condensed milk, right? Condensed sweetened milk, right? When you're sweetening using milk, right? We use other spices as well. We use nutmeg, we use vanilla, right? And this will add to the taste. But today I'm gonna sweeten using lime, right? It also tastes very good using lime, so we're gonna use lime and sugar. As I said, I'm gonna put my limes in. So I've cut my limes. I'm gonna squeeze them in right now, right? If you don't have limes, you can also use lemon, right? So it will give it a nice taste. But as I said, you don't have to do it this way. You can also be done using milk. Right, so what I'm using is the Jamaica 100% cane sugar, or we call it granulated sugar in Jamaica, or you may call it brown sugar. So that's what I'm going to use to have it sweetened today. So I'm going to go ahead and have it sweetened. It depends on how you want it. Some people don't want it too sweet, some people want it a little bit sweet, so it depends on what you want. Okay. Alright, so now it's fully sweetened and ready to drink. Right, this is usually served chilled. It tastes better chilled. Right, so it's good to be served on ice, or you can put it in the fridge to get cold. Right, it depends on what you want. Right, so this is the finished product. Look how it looks lovely. Look how it looks wonderful. Yes guys, so this is the finished product, looking lovely, right? So this is our Jamaican soursop drink, right? As I said, this was made fresh from the tree. Just picked the soursop, squeezed it, strained it, sweetened it, and this is what I got. Looking quite lovely, looking quite refreshing, looking quite delicious.